Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz 13 February in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 89 gems. Now click on missions, click on daily quiz. Now click start quiz. Here you see February 13 a question and total 4 options, in which one option is the correct option. If you select the correct option you will get 100 gems, and if you select any incorrect option you will get only 20 gems. Before this I will provide you the correct answer. If you still not join XENEA Wallet, the joining link is in the video description. Now I will provide you the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct answer. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.